The Kaaba, the holiest place in Islam, is a holy building housed inside the Masjid al-Haram Mosque in Mecca. Every year, millions of Muslims travel from all around the world to do the Hajj, or the shorter pilgrimage known as Umrah, which involves visiting the Kaaba. Since the Kaaba is the center of Muslims' religion and unification, many find that visiting it may be a profoundly spiritual and life-changing experience. It is a location of deep prayer, introspection, and dedication. It's crucial to become familiar with the traditions and practices of the journey if this is your first time visiting the Kaaba. These include praying at designated times, doing the Tawaf, circumambulation, around the shrine, and taking part in other pilgrimage ceremonies. Respecting the locals' customs and traditions as well as following any rules or laws that Saudi Arabian government may establish are equally vital. The Kaaba, the most sacred place in Islam, is situated in the Saudi Arabian city of Mecca. The history and symbolism of it are intricately linked to the beliefs and customs of Muslims all over the world. The Kaaba is a symbol of Muslim unity across the globe, and more than just a place of worship. No matter where they are in the world, the faithful are united in prayer by its direction, or Qibla. Not only are the rituals related to the Kaaba, such Tawaf and Sa'i, acts of worship, but they also operate as a reminder of the fundamental stories and principles of the faith, like faith in God, tenacity, and the value of community. The significance of the Kaaba goes beyond its actual location in Mecca. For Muslims, it serves as a unifying emblem that symbolizes both the communal ties among the faithful and the monotheistic core of Islam. The customs linked with it are intricately woven into Islamic tradition, embodying fundamental principles and the historical accounts of the religion. The Kaaba has continued to be a center of Muslim identity, devotion, and cultural expression over the millennia. All things considered, for Muslims, a visit to the Kaaba may be a significant and life-changing event that strengthens their ties to both their religion and the Muslim community worldwide. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel.